Alright, I am back, and big things happening around here, mostly with the Lotus. So, I was able to finish up this right front fender, get it as good as I'm getting it. It'll be perfect once it's re-gel coated and all that good stuff. Still have to work on some little areas here and there. Around here, headlight bucket I need to figure out. Repair the section in here. This side now, the inner fender looks the way it should, instead of like how it was, where, say, this side's similar. It's all cracked up and does not line up. And just, whoever put the nose on this thing did just a pretty half-assed job. So I still need to do this big old crack here, where they had it kind of filled with resin and not really like bonded together. Then they had this type of material there instead of the proper this style. So slowly but surely I'm knocking the bodywork out, but the big thing is over here. Sent the chassis off to get media blasted, and then I coated it in POR 15 after I got it media blasted, and now it's pretty much assembly time for the chassis. At least I need to figure out a way to replate the hardware after I sandblast it, or I need to just order a hardware kit. But earlier this year I blasted the control arms and some of the suspension hardware. I need to order new bushings for pretty much everything on the rear, and shocks and struts and springs and all that good stuff. I might reuse the front springs and rear springs and just get some shocks, or I might just get a set of coilover type shocks for it and bring the car down about an inch, possibly. I'm not 100% set on anything.